Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is November weekly reading from November 23rd to November 29th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, please. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, fire sign. Maybe you're dealing with another Leo. So under the deck, Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Four of Swords and Seven of Swords. I think someone is dishonest with you, Leo. It could be your partner or it could be in your office. Someone is dishonest with you. Right now, you are in no contest situation. You are just healing here. You are taking rest and you want to focus on your money and you want to you want financial stability and you really want to work hard towards your goals. Definitely you are going to focus on your money more. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands and Two of Swords. Yeah, in recent past you were busy with your work. You are working hard towards your goals, just focusing on your money, but someone is coming towards you. For some it could be a brand new person, but you are at some crossroads. Two of Swords. Maybe you have to make some decision but you are not clear about that, or you have choices. Then present Strength, Ace of Pentacles and King of Wands. I think you are working on your inner strength and new opportunities for you, new beginnings for you, especially in career wise. I am seeing growth here, financial stability, new opportunities, and you are taking your power back here. King of Wands, you are taking your power back, and future Page of Pentacles, Ten of Swords and Three of Pentacles. Someone is coming to offer partnership here, maybe in career wise or business wise. Maybe some partnership is going to be happen and there is some text communication is coming and someone wants to reconcile with you or someone wants to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, someone want to fix things with you. Ten of Swords with Three of Pentacles here. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, Five of Pentacles with Justice. Maybe you are dealing with Libra. So your person wants second chances here. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Leo. Your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Knight of Cups with Hangman, Page of Swords. Let's see their intentions also. Under the deck, Eight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles and the Fool. So if they walked away, now they're coming back. and they really want new beginnings with you, and they're ready to share their life with you, and they're ready to work on this relationship. This time your person is serious about you. Yeah, they walked away, or they want to leave behind everything like issues, arguments, and they want a fresh new start with you, Leo. Their current feelings: Knight of Cups, the Hangman, and Page of Swords. It was not ended between you and your person. Yes, they're still watching you, they're spying you, and they are stuck on you, and they're getting some awakening regarding this relationship, Leo. And if they did hurt you, now they want to say apology, or they want to offer their cup of love to you. Knight of Cups is here. And their intentions: King of Swords, King of Cups, and the Magician. Yeah, for some your person is an introvert. Maybe they are not expressing their true feelings with you. Right now they're thinking through their logical mind how to approach, how to solve things between you and your person. So for some they are doing manifestation here. Definitely they're going to approach you, and they're going to offer their cup of love to you, King of Cups. They do love you here. Definitely your person have love for you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. King of Pentacles with, yeah, Two of Cups. It's mutual. Love between you and your person is mutual. They're ready to offer stability, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. They want positive growth in this relationship, and they really want to fix things with you. Yes, they're feeling alone, they're missing you, and they're thinking about you a lot. Maybe your person is always in and out of your life. When they feel bored, they go, but again they come. Always in and out of your life. That's why you are juggling here. You are in some confusion to make a decision. You are going through some transformation here, Leo. Maybe for some it is a big transformation for you. And lots of you, maybe you are dealing with Virgo here. You want clarity, but for some clarity you want clarity, but it is not coming. That's why you decided to walk away from this relationship. Yes, due to past hurt. They did a lot to you, but again they're coming back, but you are taking your power back and just to cut off this person from your life. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Leo. Yes, they're coming back with an apology, but you are taking control of the situation. You started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition, and you are doing self-love. You are taking care of yourself, but they're coming back with an apology, and they want new beginnings. Then it's up to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Leo. Maybe you have some fears regarding this relationship, regarding this person. That's why you are taking control of the situation here. Third party involved. Long distance relationship, this person is sneaky. Third party involved, long distance relationship, and this person is sneaky. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Your commitment is being tested. For some, it is a testing time for you, but don't worry, be honest and do your work. Then everything will be okay. Because when you are honest, you don't need to worry for anything for anyone. Confidence is your key to success, New Moon in Leo. For some, confidence is your key to success. Under the deck, take time to breathe out. For some, you are doing a lot of work. So this is the message for you. Just take a break. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.